Hi, I'm Pat with Paul's Automotive, and on my way to work this morning, I just had a boom light bulb moment. Paul and I have been sick ever since New Year's Eve. We've had the stomach virus. We've had the creeping crud, which turned into bronchitis and all other kinds of things. We just never found time to go to the doctor. It just never was convenient. We just thought we could treat it ourselves and it'd eventually go away and things would be okay. And then all of a sudden, I realized that we were doing the same thing that so many of our customers do, and that we talk to them all the time about not doing. Well, they look at their vehicles when something minor is going on, and they think, I don't have time to take care of this right now. It will be okay if I wait a while. My check engine light's on, but gee whiz, everything seems to be doing okay right now. I realize my oil change is way overdue and my maintenance schedule is overdue, but it can wait, I think. Or the husband says, we'll just wait. I can fix that myself in a couple weeks. It'll be okay. And then all of a sudden, procrastination sets in and things never get taken care of. And those little repairs, or at least that were once little, turn into something much more major. Turns into things that's going to inconvenience you so much and probably going to cost you a lot more money as those little things turn into huge things. So just like Paul and I, when we were sick, we put off going to the doctor, and those little things turned into the much more major things that we have been fighting for an entire month to get over. So lesson learned, don't procrastinate. Procrastination is rarely anything that's going to be any benefit in any situation. Take care of those little things as they occur and keep them from turning into those huge things that you'll regret later. Hope you have a great day. Call us here if we can help you in any way. 704-786-0904.